Cork, doesn't respecting it and a reward for something you didn't do make you feel a decisive bit distasteful? Ladies and gentlemen, you're present. What is this thing? Whoa, look! I'm just trying to find my way home. What you got? Planet Toranox? Everybody, hold on! Whoa, whoa! We're going down! Wait, aren't you gonna give us some cryptic advice so we can use to defeat Nevo? Well, Dr. Crunch seems to be doing better. Still keeps feeding me some treats, but otherwise, we're surprisingly sane. So, Otherworld save other galactic disaster is restored. Some treatment, huh?